can fix that. Hey guys, welcome to Beyond the Raptor, your source for reviews, news, and just off-roading fun. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it so you can get notified of our future content, and let's get to it. Today we're going to install a tailgate assist from Dee Zee. This is a great product, and the link for this product is in the description as always, as well as our website for other detailed install instructions and tips. Now, what's great about Dee Zee, they're kind of the name in the industry, and tailgate shocks are fantastic as well. They protect your truck, the bed, the tailgate. They make it easier to open with heavy loads and really modernize your truck. So let's get to it. So there's really only two main parts for installing this. It really starts with down at the tailgate, you're going to install this riv nut that will hold in one of the anchor points for the shock. And the way this works, at least on this pickup, not all of them have it, is you're going to actually hold with a wrench and an Allen wrench at the same time, about 9.5 turns to get it nice and seated, and you're good to go. Now we move over to the bed, and we're going to go ahead and pull off this Torx head here. Make sure and brace yourself, get some good leverage. That thing is on there tight. You might need to grab one of the tools included or a flathead screwdriver to be able to pull the cable tie off here. Then install the new plate for the upper mount. Cut this clear tape, which is basically a Mylar sheet, and place it on your bed and your tailgate wherever there's going to be rubbing. It'll be different for each truck. Then install the shock, and you're done. That never gets old. It's so easy, even my daughter can do it. So great kit, pretty easy to install, good way to modernize your truck. Link in the description once again, as well as visit our website for any more detailed pictures and descriptions. Make sure and subscribe to our channel, that way you can get notified of future content just like this. We have some more things in the pipe that we're excited about, and what a great product. Go check it out. Thanks a lot, and have a good time.